Learning to manage vacation rental owner pain points is imperative. Strategies to keep your vacation rental booked year-round. Hey there, amazing viewers. If you enjoy our episodes, don't just hover around. Dive deeper. Hit that subscribe button like it's the key to a treasure chest of vacation rental knowledge. And ring that bell like you're summoning fun directly to your screen. Subscribe, ring, and let's keep your adventure rolling. Even though the industry has boomed over the years, not managing vacation rental owner pain points is like throwing money out the window. In this episode, I'll address 5 of the most common problems known to beset vacation rental owners and provide some practical solutions to help overcome them. These are some of the many property management skills you will find in the Vacation Ventures Turning Property into Profitable Rentals course. Transform your property into a lucrative vacation rental with our Vacation Ventures Turning Property into Profitable Rentals course. The awesome news is that it has been revitalized and relaunched. Ideal for both newcomers and seasoned owners, this 10-module course offers 59 lessons designed to elevate your rental business. Dive into expert insights with engaging videos, convenient MP3s, and comprehensive PDFs covering everything from location analysis to crisis management. Stand out in the vacation rental market by mastering key strategies and best practices. Whether you're starting out or aiming to enhance your property's appeal, join us to unlock the full potential of your investment. Click the link now to see how you'll benefit. Don't miss out on this game-changing opportunity to elevate your vacation rental business. Making consistent bookings. What really hurts vacation rental owners is that the flow of bookings is something they really have to work for, and all of this is directly affected by seasonality, competition, and moving travel trends. Tip: boost your bookings by spreading your marketing across a number of online platforms. If you have a niche clientele, you may want to choose niche sites where your listings can be found. Use social media for marketing the unique features of your rental and for the interaction of potential guests. You might even have some special promotions and packages for different seasons. Consider John, who rents out his vacation property. He was always low on winter bookings. He started to focus on skiers and market about how close his property was to ski resorts. The results? He's increased his winter occupancy by 30%. Do not get caught unaware in low seasons. Strategize and advertise. Managing visitor expectations. Customer satisfaction is of paramount importance in vacation rentals, but guests' expectations may vary. Tip: the mantra for success is clear and honest communication. Elaborate descriptions with great photographs of your property. Clearly outline the amenities and any possible inconveniences. Implementation of guest feedback system will help to understand and address issues at the earliest. Other personal touches may include things like welcome baskets or local guides. For example, Sarah, who rents out her vacation property and leaves a handwritten note for guests with a list of her favorite restaurants. It's a small gesture that has garnered innumerable positive reviews, as well as repeat bookings. To handle maintenance or repairs. Maintenance issues will occur, but they'll only be bad for your property's reputation and guest experience if not corrected in good time. Tip: you can prevent most problems from getting huge by keeping your maintenance checks and inspections on schedule. Keep a list of good local contractors for any emergency. For instance, smart home technologies that you will install within your property, like leak detectors and thermostats, will assist in monitoring and controlling the property remotely so that unforeseen eventualities do not occur. Let's look at Mike, who used to have a problem every other day in the apartment he rented out, mainly plumbing problems and leakages. He installed a smart leak detector and now is notified and deals with the issues before they blow into costly repairs, giving him the assurance and comfort of his guests. Making regulatory compliances accessible. Vacation rental regulations are really all over the place and vary significantly by location. Failure to adhere to such regulations could be expensive, literally in terms of fines, or the closing of the rental. Tip: know the local laws and ensure that your property continues to be in compliance. This likely would mean compliance with all safety and other regulations, permitting, and compliance with tax rules. It would probably prove very helpful from a resource and support perspective to join a local vacation rental association that assists you in staying compliant. Let's look at Linda, who owns her own beachfront home. She didn't realize she needed a license to rent out her home. After a huge fine, Linda joined a local vacation rental associations group and got to learn and understand the regulations. Now she's happily operating fine-free. Competing in a saturated market. In an overcrowded industry, it is hard to make your property stand out. So it is important to distinguish your property with its unique features and exceptional service. Tip: the trick is to present your rental unit in the best light, investing in professional photography and even staging your property. Up your game by investing in amenities that fits the interests of your ideal market. For example, a home office setup for remote workers or eco-friendly products for the modern nomad. Meet Emma, who has turned her garden shed into a welcoming office for home workers. This quirk actually brought in a niche clientele, and it meant she had an edge to fill with more bookings and better reviews. Discover the golden rules of vacation renting with our essential guide, Unpacking Your Property, the top 25 secrets to successful vacation properties. Whether you're new to the game or looking to refine your strategy, this guide is packed with invaluable insights that will help you increase your occupancy rates and maximize your profits. Get your free copy now and start your journey to rental success. How do you overcome obstacles in your vacation rental business? Share them in the comments section below. In conclusion, vacation rental management can be tough, but by following strategies for vacation rental owner pain points, you can make your property a profitable venture. Diversification, open and clear communication channels, proactive maintenance, keeping up with rules and regulations, and making your property different from the rest. Taking the steps outlined will not only enhance guest satisfaction, but also boost your property's profitability. The Vacation Ventures, Turning Your Property into a Profitable Rentals course is an excellent resource for further insights and strategies. Embrace these tips and watch your vacation rental business thrive. You can find a link for more information in the show notes. In the next episode, I will talk about ways to maximize vacation rental income. And that wraps up another episode of Vacation Rental Resolutions. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell and share with your friends. Remember, every successful host starts with a dream, just like yours. Stay inspired, keep learning, and make your vacation rentals shine brighter than ever. Join us again next week for more gems. Until then, happy hosting.